This part work has been supplied to me free of charge from DeAgostini. If you'd like to build along, pop along to DeAgostini.com where you can order one for your very own. They also have several other part work build-up models that you can build for everything from cars to boats and everything in between. So I'd like to thank them very much for giving me the opportunity to build this so you can all watch and see exactly how it all goes together. Hello, I'm Chris, this is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 71 of Building the Ford GT. In this issue, we are building some more work on the transmission. We're putting the tyres aside for now and building some transmission stuff. All good stuff. The Australian Ford Falcon. I don't know, how do Australians say Falcon? Falcon? I don't know. One of those. Let me know in the comments if you're Australian, know how to pronounce that word there. Yeah, no, you're just going to type it in the comments. That's really no help. Is it Falcon or Falcon? Would you say really with a W? F-A-W? Falcon. I don't know. How would you do it? Try and put it in phonetically so I know what we're talking about. There we go. That's quite interesting. I don't particularly like cars that have an engine sticking up out the front of them. It seems like overkill to me. But yeah. So this is the transmission subframe that we're going to fit to the gearbox, the transmission that we had previously built. That's easy. One screw and done. And that's it. So let's clear the bench off and let's get it built. Yes, here we are. This is this nice metal part again. The engine's going to be quite substantial. We've got a packet of screws, of which we're going to use one. So let's get one out now. I shall jump ahead and actually prepare things. I know it's terrible, but there we go. We have a screw almost out of the packet. There we go. Screw out the packet on the screwdriver, even ready to go. So we need to put this on there. There's two posts that come out the top of this coming downwards like so. They go into those posts there, but it doesn't fit. You need to fit it and rotate it. You just put it on from the side so it clears all of that over there, and then you can rotate it, and then you can just jiggle it a little bit, get it so those pins fit into those holes like so, ready for other things to attach on there, no doubt. And the hole in the top is where the screw goes, and that is what holds that together. So there we go, nice and secure, holding it all as it should. It's starting to look nice. I don't recognise it as a part of an engine, but I'm sure obviously it is. But yeah, there we go. That is that. Another issue done and dusted, ready for one more in this pack. So I shall see you for that very soon. In between times, there'll be other part work videos available for your viewing pleasure. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you for more soon. Bye bye for now.